this is the aviator connector side of the joystick cable. You're going to solder red to pin 1, black to pin 2, green to pin 3, and white to pin 4. You need to open up the charger and remove the cable. This is the pins. So you have power, ground, RS45 positive is yellow, RS45 negative is white. And you need to strip back this cable, crimp on 4 of the small Hiroshi contacts, and repin it into this white connector. Alright, once it's repinned in the connector from the joystick, it will look like this. The cable and put it into this slot so it can't pull out. Make sure the LED is lined up. And then put the case and put the screws back in. And then once the screws are back in, you'll put the rubber feet back in it, and then hook it up and test it. Alright, once you're done with it, you hook it up to the joystick port on the VRB. Make sure it powers up. And then that's it.